We're back. My name is Emma, and I know how important it is to be able to get your Amazon packages while you're in college, so let's go through how the mailroom works. There are two ways you can receive mail: from your mailbox and from the front counter. When you arrive on campus, you will get a mailbox assigned to you and a combination to that box. Make sure you write your combination down somewhere and send your box number to your family. This box is going to be used for letters, postcards, or other paper mail. And if you have outgoing mail, just drop it right in here. When you receive a package, the mailroom staff will process that package for you, and then you'll receive an email that looks something like this. Then they will place a green card like this one in your mailbox. Our mailroom hours are 9:30 in the morning to 2:30 in the afternoon. When you're ready to grab that package, just go to your mailbox, grab that green card, and take it to the front counter, and let them know you have a package. They'll have you sign the green card to confirm you picked up the package. And you're all set. I'm excited to see you all on campus.